how to fix Gcash accessibility services detected error. So if you want to fix your Gcash accessibility services detected error, then what you need to do is, firstly, let's understand why this problem happens. So this error appears because Gcash has a strong security system. So if any third-party app is using accessibility services like screen recorder apps, auto clicker apps, or screen over apps, or some cleaner apps, Gcash blocks access for security reasons. So now let's fix the problem. So firstly, open the settings app, scroll down a bit, and then go with apps. Under apps, you need to go with manage apps, and here you need to scroll down and then search for Gcash. Once you find Gcash, you need to tap on it. After that, just scroll down, and here you need to go with clear data, which will be in the bottom right, and clear the cache. After clearing your cache, you can just simply go back to your home screen or just open up your settings again, and then now scroll down and you will find accessibility option. Tap on accessibility. Once you're in your accessibility section, here you need to find the applications such as cleaner applications, screen overlay apps, or any services. You need to just simply go and turn them off. After turning them off, you need to go back, and now you need to go with your Play Store or your App Store and search for Gcash, and if you have any updates on your Gcash, you need to just simply go and update it. After updating, the problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.